Mm.
Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Karen, and today I'm here with another epic video guys. So guys, today I'm gonna do some ackee and chicken guys. Yeah, I have a piece of chicken left over back from yesterday, from Sunday, and yeah, you do it with some ackee. So guys, me have my ackee. May I cook it with some dumpling, yam, banana and plantain. Banana them round this, I forgot to carry them around and the seasoning them. Yeah, so that me I gonna do. So guys, let's go and stay tuned guys.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout.
Yeah. You can just give me a thumbs up and a like. Wait name there, subscribe just and just say something nice about the video. How many you think are free?
Video me like and it not nice. And I fit the rounds and your Russia.
Oh.
My friend.
Yeah, I Riverside me go and cook, you know?
Cook out.
Yeah, like seaside.
The time I cook chicken and something.
How is what me I do in a tree, you know?
I'll be there, you know.
Me have shots with Clive in a tree. No, sir.
I'm pranking.
No, me not like the prank. Me don't want to climb and drop out from video, Alex. Me don't want to go up in the tree and go drop out. Alex. Okay, guys, so I get my flour together now. Leave the corner. I go with the wrong hand for a while. I don't know what I would think it. So, this guy there, knead up the dumpling. Knead up the flour to make my dumpling. Yeah. Pot already the pan fire. Yeah. So the ackee them here, I go boil the ackee them inside. I'm gonna take me have enough coal. And then I use no wood fire today. So I'm gonna just cook the ackee them inside. Just the ackee them alone. Them already clean up, see them there. So I just go in at the pot for the stove inside. Yeah. So I eat that guys. Go and stay tuned. Go put the pot on the stove. So guys, I put in 2 dumplings in the pot.
Mm-hmm.
Yes guys, me have peel piece of yam. Yes, guys. Friends go a shop go buy the piece of yam and you not even get something sensible for my money. So guys, that's the yam going in now. Peel the banana in now. So guys, now bother boil the ackee them inside because I put on the pot and this is a pot you put on after and it a boil up so before it, so we just go cook it in this. Put them in a one bag, boil up the bag and put them in it to cook. Yeah man, it a go cook good just the same. Yeah man. So guys, cut up the seasoning. We go in at the ackee. Yeah. Yes. Yes guys, cutting up the tomato. Most people don't use tomato in a ackee, but I do. So cutting up that. Put piece more of the onion. Or big onion, you know. I'm afraid of pepper. Yes, that's from the whole pepper. If you eat it, you know, but I'm afraid if you touch the eye. So I eat this, guys. Cut up the seasoning. So, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever time I post a bell. Guys, please go over to Vice 39 TV and give him a shout, give him a blessing, show him some love, guys. And Mona and Dory Show, please go over by their channel as well and show them some love. They have some nice content over there, guys. Go over there and show them some love, guys. Thank you. Yeah, get off them skin. Yes, guys. So I already cut up the meat, guys. So it already seasoned from Sunday, but let me season it. So I put my little touch to it, guys. Like season it from Sunday and cook. Never cook a whole chicken and left off a little piece. So I go use. Yeah. So I put my little touch on it, guys. Yes, guys. So I go fry them here now. And then throw the ackee pod them. They cook ackee after it's done. And so that's it, guys. So guys, see the ackee them here, so I go just turn them over You can see so them already cooked on the side here already, so I just turn them over, make them get little more cooking, you see me? Alright, I eat that guys. So, guys, take off the pots. If I carry on a dish towel, so maybe the bag. So you see the ackee guys. So I go put on the pot here now. The ackee did it right. Oh, one, two more pieces of coal. So put on that we hot now guys. So soon as that hot, I'm throw in the oil, we fry the chicken there. The chicken them. And the hot pot ya take long for hot, you know guys. Yeah, you want make it stay for long. So guys, when the pot hot, the oil hot in the pot, I put it in the settle them. And bite me guys. And alright guys. So I eat that. I eat it. And hot now. Wrapping the chicken. Start big enough to hold everything. Yep. What's that? No. Alright guys, so soon turn them. So guys, turn them. Alright guys, let them go and fry it here. So guys, we are going with the seasoning. And then with the ackee. Come on, Pat, sit down one place, huh? You just start this beer, so Pat. Go and turn over for me. I got this one 60, so Guys, see how the chicken look and the seasoning on it. So I'm going to just cover it with the season them sometime to cook. Then I put in the ackee. Alright guys, so you see the finish one. Yes, so guys, I'm going with my ackee now. Yeah. So I'm going to put some black pepper and some powder seasoning on it. So a little powder season, not much because powder season already depend the meat. Oh, that a lot. And some black pepper. There is no ackee without black pepper. Got to put that black pepper and ackee. Yeah.
Hold on.
Stir it in now. You don't want to stir too hard to mash up the ackee because I don't have ackee porridge, you know? So I eat that. Come back, me I take it off. That's it, guys. Alright, guys. So alright, guys. So I eat that. Take one finger out of the banana. Yes, guys. So, for me now, look, guys. For that look good. You want more dumplings, you know? You want more?
No.
Hmm? Guys, see it here now? So guys, I taste a little piece of the banana because I'm ready for eat it. Because I have to go wash off because I'm hot, out the door hot. Yes guys, everything right. Not too salt, not too fresh. Pimento seed. Yes guys, I eat that. Everything good. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. And remember guys to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever time I post a video. And guys, remember to go over to Vibes 39 TV and show some love. Check out his content. He has some great content. And also Monia and Dory show. Check her out as well guys. Show some love. She have some great content as well. Just go over and show some love guys. Thank you again for watching. Bye.